follow solo jazz. You should have been there. We did a lot of kind of practicing the flow, so we started with just walking. You just walk to music and you try to make it dancey, so you don't just like, I am walking, but you're actually walking to music. And then we added faster steps, triple steps if you'd like, but kind of make it flowy, make it flow from one step to the other. And then to that, we added some steps with me. So as you were just walking around, sometimes I would have to do a boogie forward, for example, and then walk around again, just kind of walking around, and then do boogie back. To music, again, try to practice those transitions, try to keep that flow. We also talked a little bit about different feels in music, like some songs were a little bit more energetic, some were a little bit more smooth. Somebody mentioned songs that feel kind of like strolly, like you want to move to them, you want to move around. So we just explored all of that stuff. You did great. You can actually practice it at home or at a social dance. So do that, and we'll chat about improvisation more next week.